Hello everyone, welcome. I'm going to do an unboxing and review about this 164 Land Rover Defender 110 from the brand Master. Very good diecast brand if you ask me. I have more castings of this brand and also a couple of more of these Defender 110s, the muddy version. Okay, let's see what we got. We see it comes in a nice display case. Here a picture of the car that's inside. Barcode and article number for the ones who are interested, and some text freeze frame if you want to read it. You see it's still in the plastic. Let's get this tape off. Oop. Cool thing about this model, it comes with a lot of accessories. A ladder, a canoe, spare tire that is the same as the tire on the vehicle itself, some suitcases, some boxes, some jerry cans. Okay, let's take it off. Here we got it again, Master Land Rover Defender 110 in a 164 scale. Some of you say that the tires are too big. I kind of like these big balloon tires. Okay, we got some lanced headlights, and even the small ones are lanced. The ones right here and here. Nice bumper. We see a different color here, right here. I like that. We got Land Rover here on front. Mud all over the hood. Ineos Grenadier. I don't know what kind of company it is or what they do. Yeah, the windscreen wipers are not molded on the glass. Oh, that's a good thing. Yeah, also the lights here on top are lanced. This is all made of plastic, but the model itself is made out of diecast. We got side mirrors with a silver sticker on it. Let's do it like this. Yeah, that's better. We see a lot of mud. I think the mud is very well done. These models are produced in high numbers, so I think it looks really well. Yeah, more lanced lights right here, except for this one right here. This one is painted, this one is lanced, and also the other one is lanced. Nice spare tire with some mud on it. The mud flaps, you think this is not good. Should be, yeah, more up. But this is how it's supposed to be. All the other models have the same thing. And it's also more realistic, I think, so it's really well done. Maybe you can even, well, we find it out later when we take it off the base. Yeah, here we got the other side. Fuel cap right here, also really well done. Let's come a little bit closer. Snorkel here on top, also made out of plastic. And here some room for the accessories, if you want. Can we have a look inside? Yes, we can. Well, okay, we can see it's a left-hand drive. Good steering wheel. Can we have a look in the back? Yes. Let's do it like this. This is a little bit better, so. I think my light is a little bit too much. I have another light. And here we got the back seat. A little bit difficult to see, but I can tell you it looks really good. Okay, now let's take it off the base. One screw. So we have a metal base, lots of details, and you can see the wheels are still rolling, even the ones in the front. I have some models also the same, and the wheels aren't rolling that good. I have the Golf version, the Golf Muddy version, doesn't roll. So this is an improvement. Yeah, really cool model. Do I have more of these models? Yeah, I already told you so. And I have one right here. Let's have a look. You sleepy? Huh? Yeah. Oh. This is, yeah, we call it a surprise or surprise, call it in Dutch. And we made it for our son, so he can take it with him to school. Hey! Holy moly! The Rock! He falls. But okay, here we got the other model. Let's do it like this. The Caterpillar version, also muddy. The diorama is from More Art. If you think, whoa, what a cool diorama. It's from More Art, it's a box diorama, and I did a review about it on my channel. Here we got another one. This is with the fishing dude. And I've got another one right here. Let's go upstairs to the diecast room. Let's see. Okay, yes. So here I've got the Ghoul version and I got the red one. There is also a white version. This is not a muddy version. And you see, they all look a little bit different. Not one is the same. Here you got jerrycans on the side. And you got some metal wires in front of the car. Okay, let's put the accessories on the car. See you back in a sec. Okay, I'm going to put some of the accessories on the car and you will see the results. Okay, so I did it like this. Put the silver box on top, a ladder on the side. Spare tire is still loose. You never know if you want to make a photo where it looks like you're going to change the tire. And I put the green jerry cans here on the side. Thought that would look kind of cool. So what do we still have? The other accessories that we didn't use. The canoe, of course, it's lying right here. There's another ladder inside, so you got two ladders. I didn't use the black boxes. There's still one silver box and this thing right here. So yeah. Also good news, the Rock is back on his feet again. Back on his feet. So yes, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and please thumbs up. You really help me with that. Thank you. Bye.